Score business class cheap flights to Europe today. Score business class cheap flights to Europe today. Experience comfort without breaking your budget. Let's fly luxury for less. Are you planning a trip to Europe but worried about the high cost of business class flights? Look no further. Our team has researched and found practical tips and strategies to help you score affordable business class tickets to Europe without compromising on comfort or luxury. Many travelers assume that business class flights are out of their budget, but with a few tricks up your sleeve, you can enjoy the exclusive perks and amenities of business class without breaking the bank. Don't rule out business class flights to Europe due to cost. There are ways to make them more affordable. With our tips and strategies, you can enjoy the comfort and luxury of business class flights to Europe. Be sure to use comparison websites and sign up for airline newsletters for exclusive deals and discounts. When we think of a European adventure, we picture ourselves immersed in history, culture, and breathtaking scenery. And what better way to enjoy all of this than in the luxurious comfort of a business class cabin? Business class offers a myriad of benefits that make your European adventure even more memorable. From the moment you step on board, you will experience unparalleled comfort and service that will make your journey a true pleasure. With a spacious seat that reclines into a fully flat bed, you can relax and rejuvenate as you jet across the Atlantic. And with priority check-in, security clearance, and boarding, you can breeze through the airport and get to your destination hassle-free. But that's not all. Business class passengers also enjoy access to exclusive airport lounges, complete with gourmet cuisine, premium beverages, and comfortable seating. And once on board, you'll be treated to in-flight menus crafted by renowned chefs, complemented by an extensive selection of fine wines and spirits. But perhaps the most significant advantage of flying business class is the level of personalized service. From attentive flight attendants to luxurious amenities like noise-canceling headphones, plush blankets, and high-end toiletries, every detail is designed to enhance your European adventure. So if you're looking for a way to elevate your European adventure to new heights, consider flying business class. You won't regret the decision. Are you dreaming of a luxurious European vacation, but worried about the cost of business class flights? Fear not, dear reader, as we have some handy tips to help you snag affordable business class fares for your next European adventure. One of the best ways to save money on business class flights to Europe is by booking early. This gives you access to the lowest fares and allows you to plan the rest of your trip with peace of mind. So, start searching for flights at least 4 months before your intended travel dates. If your travel dates are not set in stone, consider being flexible with your schedule to take advantage of cheaper fares. Sometimes, flying on weekdays rather than weekends or avoiding peak travel seasons can result in significant savings. Keep an eye out for flight sales and promotions offered by airlines. These can include discounts on business class fares, free upgrades, or bonus miles for frequent flyers. Sign up for airline newsletters to stay informed about these deals. Flight comparison websites can help you find the best business class deals for your European adventure. These sites allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and provide useful information such as flight duration and layover times. Some popular options include Kayak, Skyscanner, and Expedia. As mentioned earlier, airline newsletters are an excellent source of information for exclusive deals and promotions. By subscribing to these newsletters, you can stay informed about any upcoming sales or limited-time offers on business class flights to Europe. By following these tips, you can find cheap business class flights to Europe and enjoy a luxurious travel experience without breaking the bank. Happy travels! When it comes to booking business class flights to Europe, there are several options available to you. Depending on your preference and budget, you can book directly with airlines, use travel agents, or utilize online travel agencies. Let's explore each of these options in more detail. Booking directly with airlines can be a great option for securing business class fares. Many airlines offer exclusive deals and promotions for those who book directly through their website or reservation system. Additionally, by booking directly with the airline, you have access to their customer service team and can easily make changes or request upgrades if needed. If you prefer the assistance of a travel professional, using a travel agent can be a great option. Agents have access to industry discounts and can often secure business class fares at a lower rate than booking directly through the airline. They can also help with other aspects of your trip, such as hotel reservations and ground transportation. Online travel agencies, OTAs, can make booking business class flights to Europe easy and convenient. Websites such as Expedia, Kayak, and Orbitz allow you to compare prices and book flights from multiple airlines all in one place. They also often offer bundle deals that include hotel and rental car reservations at a discounted rate. Regardless of which booking option you choose, be sure to take advantage of loyalty programs and frequent flyer miles to access discounted business class fares. By utilizing these strategies and booking in advance, you can score affordable business class flights to Europe and enjoy a luxurious travel experience. After exploring the advantages of flying business class to Europe and the booking options available, it's time to focus on how to score affordable fares. First, consider booking well in advance and being flexible with your travel dates. This way, you can take advantage of early bird discounts and avoid peak travel periods. Another tip is to subscribe to airline newsletters and follow them on social media to be the first to know about any sales or promotions. Additionally, utilizing flight comparison websites can help you compare prices and find the best deal. Don't forget about the benefits of using travel agents, loyalty programs, and frequent flyer miles. These options can provide access to discounted business class fares and exclusive perks. In conclusion, finding cheap business class flights to Europe is possible with a little bit of strategy and research. By planning ahead, being flexible, and taking advantage of available resources, you can elevate your European adventure with a luxurious and comfortable travel experience. We hope these tips have been helpful in scoring affordable business class flights and wish you happy travels. FAQ. Q. How can I find business class cheap flights to Europe? A. There are several strategies you can use to find affordable business class flights to Europe. Booking in advance, being flexible with travel dates, and taking advantage of flight sales and promotions are all effective ways to save money on business class tickets. Additionally, using flight comparison websites and subscribing to airline newsletters can help you stay informed about exclusive deals and discounts. Q. What are the benefits of flying business class? A. Flying business class offers numerous advantages for your European adventure. You can enjoy enhanced comfort with spacious seats, increased legroom, and lie-flat beds. Superior service and personalized attention from attentive flight attendants are also highlights of traveling in business class. Additionally, you'll have access to exclusive amenities such as premium dining options, priority boarding, and luxurious airport lounges. Q. How can I book business class flights to Europe? A. There are several booking options available for business class flights to Europe. You can choose to book directly with airlines, use travel agents, or utilize online travel agencies. Booking directly with airlines may offer the advantage of accessing exclusive deals and discounts. Travel agents can provide personalized assistance and expertise in finding the best business class fares. Online travel agencies often offer competitive prices and the convenience of comparing different airlines and fares in one place. Q. Are loyalty programs and frequent flyer miles useful for booking business class flights? A. Yes. Loyalty programs and frequent flyer miles can be highly beneficial when booking business class flights to Europe. By accumulating points or miles through loyalty programs, you may gain access to discounted or upgraded business class fares. Additionally, frequent flyer miles can be redeemed for business class tickets, allowing you to enjoy the luxurious experience at a lower cost. For more articles, visit Kektuekwos1. Visit Kektuekwos1.com for more travel deals and discounts.